Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening 3 booster packs. We're gonna be doing 2 Evolving Skies of the new one that just got released and came out, and we're gonna be opening 1 Chilling Red promo with more Pico and the coin on it. So let's go ahead and start with this one. So here's the promo card for you guys. Here's Pico. Leave this over here. Here's the coin. Chilling Rain. Let's see what we put in this one. Oh, green call card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy card. Curlia. Trainer Agatha. Trainer Flannery. Surlets. Oh, they're stuck. That's not good. See? That's how they came out of the pack. Schnitzel, Snover, Blitzel, Gaslin, Reverse Hollow Bone Sweet, and then for a rare, non-hollow Galarian Surfetch. So yeah, and this one, the cards came damaged on a seal pack from a blister pack with more Pico on it. That's not good. So now let's go ahead and open. Start with this one. Alright, this will be my first time opening Evolving Skies on the channel. I pre-order more, so I'm waiting through GameStop, so I'm waiting for those to come in. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one that I got from Target this morning. So here you go. Green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water energy card. Ski Plum. Trainer Raihan. Reboom B. Sableye. Teddiursa. So from Inspiration, Marip. Sorua. Tentacool. Reverse Hollow Lillipup. And for a rare non-hollow is Smirigler. Alright, so that was the first Evolving Sky booster pack that we opened. Let's go ahead with the second one. Let's see if we get something good out of the second one. Let me know in the comments how you guys' pool race has been going. And then I heard the celebration is gonna be out for pre-order in GameStop on the 28th of this month. So white code card on the second pack. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we got? Grass energy card. Crossel. Trainer Moon and Sun Badge. Trainer Toy Catcher. Hoppip. Swabble. Sorua. Cryono. Petili. Reverse Hollow Moon and Sun Badge. And then for our rare, oh, you guys see that? Oh, we got Follar Arctobich B. Again, sorry from pronunciation, but that's not bad for our first, well, technically our second booster pack from Evolving Skies. We're able to get one. Well, thanks again for watching my channel. If you like our videos, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thank you. Have a nice day.